Hi guys, it's Pretty Janae and I am back with another rig review. As you guys know, I only review Amazon videos. Yes guys. And today, let me just show you the company that I'm reviewing. They're here. It's called Jessica. Put the link and everything, don't worry, on the screen and also down below. So I did the 1-day prime shipping. So it came literally the next day. They give this inside the box. It's like a hairnet. I'm not using that. I have my own. And let me just show you the wig. She's a 10-inch curly. It looks as a frontal. It has 2 adjustable combs. It have an adjustable strap. And also, let me just show you how it looks like on a scalp, like for my skin though.
Can I ride the boogie, share that beat of love? I wanna ride so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you. Take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride